Unlocking English Mastery, Performance-Based Assessments for Collocation Knowledge. Hello language learners. In today's session, we're delving into a fascinating aspect of English language learning: performance-based assessments for collocation knowledge. This is an essential tool to assess your mastery over collocations, those sneaky word pairs that often come together in English. Remember, your ability to use collocations correctly can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Before we dive into examples, let's clarify what we mean by performance-based assessments. These assessments focus on students' ability to apply the skills and knowledge they've gained, rather than just regurgitating information. In terms of collocation, these assessments would involve you actively using appropriate collocations in speaking or writing, rather than simply recognizing them in a multiple-choice test. Let's explore some examples of how we can assess collocation knowledge through performance-based assessments. Oral presentations. In an oral presentation, we can evaluate a student's ability to use collocations correctly within a live speech context. For instance, students might be asked to give a presentation on a given topic, and we would listen for appropriate use of collocations. Written assignments. Written assignments, like essays or reports, provide another avenue for assessment. Here, we can assess whether students can use collocations accurately and appropriately in a written context. Role-play scenarios. Role-play scenarios offer a dynamic and interactive way to assess collocation knowledge. These could involve dialogues or discussions on a given topic, where the student's usage of collocations can be evaluated. Performance-based assessments are beneficial in multiple ways. Firstly, they simulate real-world language use, allowing you to apply your collocation knowledge in practical contexts. Secondly, they can reveal areas of strength and weakness in your command of collocations, enabling targeted improvement. Lastly, they make learning more engaging by bringing the language to life. And that's a wrap on performance-based assessments for collocation knowledge. Remember, mastering collocations is a significant stride towards fluency in English. Practice them as much as possible, be it in speaking, writing, or interactive role plays. I hope you found this session informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons on English language learning. Happy learning, everyone!